Bringing a product to market means more than just a great idea. It takes structure, speed, and precision, turning concepts into scalable, compliant solutions, and it all starts in R&D. Take the latest trend in chocolate, a crisp outer shell filled with pistachio and kadayif. Behind this innovation lies a complex formulation challenge, balancing flavor, nutritional targets, regional regulations, and cost efficiency. This is where Siemens's formulation digital twin comes in. Teams can simulate and optimize the formulation, adjusting ingredients, scaling quantities, and analyzing cost implications in real time. Regulatory checks are performed automatically across markets, while multiple formulations can be compared side by side to identify the most promising one. At the heart of this process is an innovation playground, a digital development space where teams collaborate and accelerate development decisions, all while working from consistent, validated data. Once a most promising formula is identified, the formula moves seamlessly into laboratory verification. The system generates batch instructions, testing protocols, and quality targets, enabling lab teams to validate performance with full traceability and compliance. From concept to cafe counter, to retail shelves and online stores, the next chocolate trend is shaped by more than creativity. It is driven by formulation expertise, precision, and digital innovation. Powered by Siemens Enterprise Recipe Management Solution.